Advocate Fadzema here uye achitatanisa zvigananda panguva ita zviya zvikacelebrata paissue yemachristmas hampers akadonetwa neZANU-PF across the country. Panguva inoi achiti panguva inoi hazvisi kumeka sense just because why is it you keep on donating food hampers and the likes, but why can't you just provide employment? Why can't you just build factories kuti musaramba muchingoenda kudonetera vanhu? Saka pina mashoko mudanyugwa panguva inoi naadvocate Fadzema not was subscribe wala ikatwa on the bed icon. Mapatriots anobuda chiposta this post yamunokona yakanzi Christmas hampers bringing joy to ZANU-PF patriots. Lady Patriot Tatenda Jen Lacoste showed yes today with the thanks to Presidential Advisor Dr. Paul Tungwarara for the kind gesture. She expressed gratitude to President Mnangagwa for the vision that no one and no place is left behind. Dr. Tungwarara answering the call, congratulated Chira for facilitation or who organized and distributed the hampers. A true spirit shared blessings this season. Maira anopinda achikomenta ku this poster chiti nothing says incompetent government louder than a young adult having to reply on donated salt from a political party for Christmas. If Zimbabwe was working as it should be, she would be an investment banker, auditor, entrepreneur, or other professional earning enough to buy your own groceries and even support your family. However, thanks to a failed ecosystem, young people are forced to rely on handouts. The indignity is heartbreaking when the new leaders. Tomashiko yachisainiwa naadvocate Fadzema achiti aiwa hazvimake sense zvekuti munoramba muchingodonetera vanhu ende panguva ine zvinotoshambisa kuri kwakunzi youth akadai this young person anoonekwa achipembera kuti takadoneterwa, instead angadai akatopiwa kana some funds akatanga a business atoti entrepreneur or a banker or akainvesta in some other businesses, but now they are pride, they are just proud nekupa donations. Pena comment section medu nzofungura any more kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.